Welcome to Will It Shave Wednesday, where I try something new. I'm Matthew, and we're going to do a shave. But real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it is that time of the week. And I debated on doing this video because the farmers are already in the fields and I didn't know if the video would pick it up or not, but oh well. Anyway, let's roll on with the shave video. Today's shave soap is by A&E and it is Spartacus. Have you guys smelled this scent before? Oh yes. To me, it is a nice dupe of the Creed Aventus, and I will put a picture right here of the scent profile and the Will It Shave part. Oh yes, the PAA blades, Strangelet. Now, I bought these when they were first released, and it comes in this package, and there's an additional package within. And sometimes that is a good sign. But I was a little bit reluctant to try them because I started noticing a lot of people having, I just was wanting to look at both sides of the blade. This is the first time I've ever taken one out of the package. Yeah, I don't know, is it that side versus this side? Does it look a little different? But anyway, the razor I'm going to be using is the Gamechanger 0.84 open comb. This is my go-to razor whenever I go to try things out. And so it's a 3-piece razor, all stainless steel, made in Canada. Those fine people up there at... You ever tried to catch a razor blade? I sure did. But anyway, yeah, so the thing that I was excited about these blades, and then I started hearing some of the feedback, and I know what my preference is, and so it made me a little nervous about trying it, and I've just been holding off and holding off. Well, today's the day I'm going to try it, and I'm not going to say what other people have said that it shaves like, because I want to, and I'm sure you already heard it, but I don't want to focus on that. I want to focus on positive shaving, straight, awesome, sharp DE blades. All right, I already have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my Omega Boar brush. And like I said, I always try to use this, known good products and only one variable, and then that way if something comes up, I can point to that one variable and say, aha, you dirty rat. It was you. What'd they say in Scooby-Doo? It was those darn kids. Here we go. Pass number 1 with the grain. My suspicions were right. This reminds me of the Vashkon blade. And I want to be positive and I want to struggle through it, but I can already tell it's tuggy on my cheeks, and so I'm going to pay the price and try to muscle through on my neck area. I don't know if you're used to watching the video and listening, but you can definitely tell a difference in the audio. Very tuggy for me. And that audio might just be within my head, and I can just hear the hair being pulled. And then pop, because it finally couldn't take any more. Very nice scent on the soap. And while we're here, let's just do a little lather demonstration. Let's pull out what we got in the brush. Oh yeah, maybe a little on the thick side. Pass 2 across the grain. I will say that the blade is definitely a step up from the Dollar Tree blade. Let me know in the comments below, have you tried the Strangelet blade? If so, how was it? I'm not gonna go anywhere, but that blade, oh man. Anyway, I'm gonna get cleaned up and I'll be right back. Did I tell you this was a nice scent? During my cleanup, I did notice I got a little weeper, and that's kind of shocking. It was almost a little more than a weeper. It was, but not quite a gusher. It was just there in between. And so I'm going to use my cubes, not my ice cube. What do I want to call this? Stick ice stick. I don't know, something. I will definitely need this. Let me apply a little more down here because I know what's going to happen later. Whew. All for the name of Will It Shave Wednesday. All right, and so I do not have the matching splash. I do have some other splashes that would go well with this, but I'm just going to use the Stirling Unscented Aftershave Splash. No stinging, which is nice. And let's see. I don't know, did I express how I was not a fan of that blade? Oh boy. Oh well. You know what? The first 5 commenters below will get a pack of blades. Oh yes. I will contact you, you contact me. 5 on me. And you know, just feeling this, I don't know if just that blade, I can already feel it is not a very close shave. And that's just my honest opinion on how I feel about it right now. So there you go. That's the shave for today. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used. And don't forget, hurry up and comment below. The first 5 will get a 5-pack of blades on me. I will see you guys on Sunday Shave. You have a great rest of your week.